Alright, let's straight jump into the fourth episode of this GoHighLevel tutorial for beginners. In this video I will talk about the agency view, features and buttons, and how you can understand it properly. Make sure you watch the whole series on this software so you can understand it and deliver really great results for your clients. So enough of the yapping, let's straight jump into it. Hello guys, I am still talking about the agency view and particularly the settings. Don't forget this, join the kickoff call, which is really important. HighLevel gives it to you for free, and it is a really impactful one-on-one mentoring for free. It is really worth it. Don't forget to join this call. Alright, you go to settings. The first is my profile, which is not that important, but I think the great thing about it is profile image. If you have a calendar going, then somebody is going to see your profile image as the calendar icon. You can change the password, and that's it for the my profile. As you can see, if you click on company, you have basic details. You can change the business niche, the business category, what do you use primary, high level for. You can have your company name here, your company email, your phone number, and in white label you can upload your logo, as I have already talked about in other material of the course, how you can change this and the domain of the GoHighLevel, and it is not going to be app.gohighlevel.com. If you have a domain name, for example marketing, it is going to be app.marketing.com. API domain is a bit complex. It is for connecting other softwares, and you can put custom JavaScript here and custom CSS code, any coding. You can change the color of this whole settings tab, and you can integrate different kind of softwares with code. You have advanced settings. I think these three are pretty good. If you turn these in, for example, you have a coffee shop owner as a sub account, and you deliver services for him. He gets access to your platform, and when he logs in, he gets daily updates about what new features does HighLevel have. Also product guides. When a new user signs up, we show guides to them as they discover new features. It helps with adoption engagement, which results in better retention of clients, so they understand the software better. Alright, let's go to team. Alright, as you can see in here, you can have let me go here because you see my people, but it's just a free trial account, so it doesn't matter. But as you can see, you can invite your teammates here. If you are an agency owner and, for example, you are not a one-man army and you want your friend to help you out with your GoHighLevel business, you can invite him as an admin, and you are going to see the sub accounts here as well. So every people that uses your software is going to be in settings and in team. Right, let's go to billing. In billing, you are going to see that you have your subscription. You can modify or cancel your subscription here, and if you don't like GoHighLevel, you can cancel it, but I recommend it after just some month, because you can get pretty good at using this software after a while. You also have different kind of workflows, conversation AI, and these apps that you can resell, and these are not free, and you have to pay for it. you actually have a payments tab, and as you can see, I have paid some money in this account. And if you go to wallets, you are going to have $2 as a basic number, and if you send emails, send SMS, or use the conversation AI or either the content AI, which automatically posts to Facebook, for example, or replies to comments, it is going to cost you money. And which is really great that you can recharge it to clients. It has so many options that you can use, and you can recharge these billings to your clients. Yes, let's go to full integration and email services. I think these two are pretty complex, and the most complex in the whole settings tab. I'm going to make a separate video for this, just to you understand and give clarity for it, because it is really hard to use very good email system and phone system that delivers very well. And I'm going to make a separate video on each of these. Let's go with premium triggers. Alright, so as you can see, these are paid actions, and you can either enable or disable in your sub accounts. And as you can see, you can enable or disable rebilling for them. So if you connect Stripe, which is an invoice app, to your HighLevel, and someone uses these features, you are going to get a Stripe invoice for example, $5 as your client used the SMS throughout this month, and you can rebill it to your clients if you press allow. Let's go to AI employee, which is not turned on just here, but I can turn it off and on. This is just a feature, and you can manage your offer. As you can see, it's AI employee for clients. It is really useful. You can sell it to them and you can have profit. As you can see, $97 is the monthly cost for me to use this, and I can sell it for $127, or you can sell it for $147. HighLevel is really great because it gives you a recommended setting, and as you can see, here are the prices of the funnels, the response, the messages, and the voice AI minute cost. There are workflow AI settings, and it is the same as premium triggers. You can either enable or disable for your sub accounts to use these, and you can either enable or disable rebilling these premium workflow triggers. Domain purchase is the same, just with domains. It is really useful for websites, blogs, and funnels. You need a domain to connect, and you can enable or disable this feature and rebill. The autocomplete address is the same. You can have private integrations, which are simple yet secure way to integrate your account with third-party apps. So HighLevel is really great at integrating like so many apps. You can integrate, I think, thousands of apps. You can say create new integration, and you give the basic details of the software, and use Zapier or some app to connect it. The affiliates tab is really great. I encourage you to use this because I am an affiliate of GoHighLevel, and it's really great, and you can make money while you are making videos, and you can teach this software if you are interested in it. You can build a nice community, so I recommend you doing that if you are my affiliate. because it is great. I really enjoy helping you guys out how to achieve your desired dreams through GoHighLevel Agency. And the custom menu link is let me show you. If you go back, and you can see these are menu links, and if I go here, I can create like a new one. Click icon. Let's say I want to create an invoicing. Let's just make invoice. Let's say I search up invoice in Google, then I put the URL here. You can have so many options. Open link with current window, open a new tab. Alright, if I press save, and if I press all, and who can see it and all. If I'm going back, as you can see, I press invoice, and it helps my clients maybe create invoices. It is really great for coaches, consultants. You can make a really great money with them. You can have any other apps and ideas. It was just an example. Alright, let's go to Stripe. You can create your Stripe account here and collect payments. You can have API key. It is really techy. I don't really understand it, and I haven't used it yet. It's not recommended for beginners. You can connect third-party apps with GoHighLevel, but it's really hard. I don't recommend using it. You can get along really well without it. Compliance is really important, because if you have an American client, then you can use it in GoHighLevel, because it's GDPR compliant in America too, and in the European Union it is compliant too. So it is really important that these are low. So the important note here is the software is lawful, and it is compliant with the laws of America and the European Union. So you can use it without making any other like special contracts and stuff like it. In labs, it is a really great way to test new features of GoHighLevel, because they release updates every month, and here you can test them. But I don't really recommend using it in a new client, because it can mess some things up. I don't use features in the beta section, because maybe it's not working very well in the beginning. As you can see, here are some audit logs, which actually I have made this invoice custom menu link, and if you have like 2 employees, you can see what are they doing in your high-level agency. And it was all I wanted to talk about in the settings tab, so I hope you found it very useful.